Apache Spark and Scala. Using for Apache Spark is multi-language engine for executing data engineering, also data science and machine learning. Scala is source code compiled to Java JVM. Apache Spark and Scala VS Code IDE. Step-by-step installation process explain. Browser open, search box lo Java downloads, enter key press. Official link second section lo display oracle.com. Second link mouse left click. Oracle redirectory official web page complete display. Java downloads section lo mouse scroll down. First one JDK24, second one JDK21 option click. Supporting OS Linux, Mac OS, Windows, third option click. Mouse scroll down. Third option x64 installer, file size 164.35 MB. Download section lo second link mouse left click. JDK-21 exe setup file downloading process start. Wait and here few minutes. Downloading process completed. New tab click. Search box lo Python download enter key press. python.org download Python link click. Python official redirectory web page complete display. Download the latest version for Windows. Download Python latest version 3.13.5 button click. Download section lo Python amd64.exe setup file downloading process start. File size 27.5 MB. Downloading process completed. Next new tab click. Search box lo Apache Spark download enter key press. Official link first section lo display. Downloads Apache Spark first link mouse left click. Apache Spark redirectory web page complete display. First one download Apache Spark section lo 4 options display. First one choose a Spark release latest version 4.0.0 release date May 23 year 2025. Second one choose a package type pre-built for Apache Hadoop 3.4 and later. Default set right side down arrow click. Display previous versions, present latest version. First one select. Third option download Spark latest version Spark -4.0.0 bin Hadoop 3.tgz link click. Apache web page complete display. First link mouse left click. Spark Hadoop 3.tgz file downloading process start. File size 518 MB. Wait and here downloading process completing. Downloading process completed. New tab click. Search box lo Scala download enter key press. Official link first section lo display. Install Scala first link mouse left click. Scala official web page complete display. Mac OS, Linux, Windows, supporting OS, mouse scroll down. Other ways to install Scala section lo first one current releases 3 options display. Last one current 2.13.x release date release version 2.13.16 release date January 15 2025. Third option click. Mouse scroll down. Other resources section lo second one Scala -2.13.16 MSI Windows MSI installer. Third one size 130.50 MB. Second option click. Download section lo Scala MSI installer file downloading process start. Wait and here few minutes. Next new tab, click search box lo WinUtils download, enter key press github.com, first link, mouse left click. In this video description section lo GitHub official link pasted, direct click download this WinUtils file, mouse scroll down, last to second one, Hadoop -3.3.1/bin, mouse left click. WinUtils page complete display, middle section lo mouse scroll down, WinUtils.exe option click, right side top section lo second icon download click, download section lo WinUtils.exe file downloading process completed. Next new tab, click search box lo VS Code download, enter key press code.visualstudio.com, download Visual Studio Code, iPhone, Mac, Linux, Windows, first link, mouse left click. Visual Studio Code official redirectory web page complete display, supporting OS Windows, Linux, Mac, present Windows setup. First one, Windows button click. Thanks for downloading VS Code. VS Code exe setup file downloading process start. File size 106 MB. Wait and here few minutes. Downloading process completed. Browser close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo 6 setup files display. Scala select, mouse right click. First option open click. Scala programming language distribution setup window lo second button, next click. End user license agreement information display in middle section. Bottom side, I accept the terms in the license agreement. Left side box tick mark set. Third button, next click. Custom setup installation features display in box. Installation location local disk C program files x86 Scala newly created folder display. Fourth button, next click. Ready to Scala programming language distribution, second button, install click. Scala MSI window lo first button, yes click. Installation process start. Status lo copying new files. Completed the Scala programming language distributor setup wizard window lo finish button click. Next Spark tgz file select, mouse right click, extract all option select. Select destination and extract files, extracted location display. First button, extract click. Extracting process start. Wait and here few seconds. Extracted folder display. Select, mouse right click, first icon cut click. Left side this PC option select. First one, new volume C, select, open. Mouse right click, paste icon click. Select folder, mouse right click. Third icon, rename click. Unnecessary text remove, delete key press, enter key press. Left side downloads folder select. WinUtils file select, mouse right click, first icon cut click. Left side this PC option select. First one, new volume C, select, open. Mouse right click, new option select, subpanel folder click. Delete key press. Folder name Hadoop, enter. Enter key press. Hadoop folder open. Mouse right click, new option select, subpanel folder option click. Delete key press. Folder name bin, enter key press. Bin folder select, open. Mouse right click, first icon paste click. Left side downloads folder reopen. Python exe setup file, select, mouse right click, first option open, click. Python latest version 3.13.5 64-bit setup window lo bottom side two options display. First one, use admin privileges when installed py.exe. First option left side box tick mark set. Second one, add python.exe to path, create in virtual environment. Left side box tick mark set. First option, install now, click. Setup progress, installing Python. Standard files and binary executable files. Installation process start. Setup was successful. Display close button, click. JDK 21 setup file, select, mouse right click, first option open, click. Java TM SC development kit version 21 window lo first button, yes, click. Welcome to the installation wizard for Java SC development kit version 21.0.7. First button, next, click. Java JDK 21 installation location default display. Local disk C, program files, newly created folder Java, subfolder JDK 21. Second button, next, click. Installation process start. Status lo copying new files. Wait and here few minutes. After installation process completed, close button, click. Folder minimize. Desktop Windows search box lo env, enter. First option, edit the system environment variables, select. System properties window lo last button, environment variables, select. Environment variables window lo second option, system variables section lo first button, new, click. New system variable window lo first option, variable name Java underscore home. Second option, variable value. Download folder, reopen. Left side this PC option, select. First one, new volume C, select, open. Program files folder, select, open. Java folder, select, open. JDK 21 folder, select, open. Address bar, mouse left click, mouse right click, copy this path. Second option, copy, click. Folder minimize, mouse left click, mouse right click, paste, click. First button, OK, click. New button, click. First option, variable name spark underscore home, enter. Second option, variable value. Folder reopen. Back arrow, click. Re-click. Re-click. Spark folder, select. Mouse double click. Address bar, mouse left click, mouse right click. Second option, copy, click. Folder minimize. Box, mouse left click, mouse right click, paste, click. OK, click. First button, new, click. Variable name Hadoop underscore home, enter. Second option, variable value. Folder reopen. Back arrow, click. Hadoop folder, select, open. Address bar, mouse left click, mouse right click. Second option, copy, click. Folder minimize. Mouse right click, paste, click. OK, click. Second option, system variable section lo path, select. Second button, edit, click. Right side top section lo new button, click. Enter percentage Java underscore percentage / bin, enter. Enter key press. New button, click. Second one, percentage spark underscore home percentage / bin, enter. Enter key press. New tab, click. Percentage Hadoop underscore home / bin, enter. Enter key press. First button, OK, click, OK, click, and OK, click. desktop Windows search box lo CMD type. First option command prompt, select first text command, enter spark -shell, enter key press. Java TM platform SC binary window lo first button yellow click. Spark logo display, installation version 4.0.0, our local host 4040. Spark shell window close. Folder reopen. Downloads folder reselect. VS Code setup file select, mouse right click. First option open click. Setup Microsoft Visual Studio Code user window lo bottom side first option I accept the agreement, left side circle tick mark set. First button next click. Select additional task, all options tick mark set. Second button next click. Ready to install, second button install click. Preparing to install, installing window lo extracting files. Completing the Visual Studio Code setup wizard window lo finish button click. Visual Studio Code IDE user interface dark mode display, welcome page close. Fifth icon extensions click. Search box type Java, extension pack for Java select. Already installed this extension, internal extension packs available 7 packages. Second one extension, search box type, delete key press. Second extension Scala type, Scala syntax official select, install blue color button click. First button trust publisher and install click. Installation completed. Third one extension Scala metals click. Right side Scala metals, blue color button install click. First button trust publisher and install click. Installation completed. Next code runner extension select. Code runner extension already installed. Left side first icon explorer click. Extension page close. First button open folder click. Left side desktop option select. Second button new folder click. Keyboard delete key press. Folder name enter Scala projects, enter key press. First button select folder click. First button yes I trust the authors click. Newly created folder explorer window display Scala projects. Right side first icon new file click. Enter the file name chari.extension Scala enter. Enter key press. Newly created file chari.scala display. Top section lo terminal menu click. First option new terminal click. Downloading Scala modules. Scala simple script. Output executed text println hello world. Terminal menu click. First option new terminal click. File menu click. Save option click. First text command Scala C. C means compile space file name as the same enter in terminal window chari.scala. Enter key press. Second text command enter Scala space file name chari.extension Scala. Enter key press. Output executed hello world display.